Winged goose. I might glide gorgeous, making the perfect V-shaped ripple on the glass mirror lake. Smooth single soldier in the middle of a complete, fabulous pool. Picture perfect. On the water. I deserve 1,000 clicks and likes and follows. But if you wait long enough for me to get out of the water, a humbler beast appears. My wing is temporarily broken and hangs now I'm standing. My delicious symmetry is lost. The other leg is scarred too, from fishing line last year, and my wariness around lone males isn't shyness. So I want you to know that a wounded goose can still swim, can still be useful, and can be gorgeous still.